Okay, welcome back to another video. It's been a little while. We have been doing tons and tons of salting. It's just not really super easy to take video of salting, especially when they're all pop-up storms, so I'm just in a big rush. And I don't know, I feel like I've done a ton of salting videos and there's nothing super exciting about it. So that's why there hasn't been any videos. We got a fresh load of salt on Wednesday last week. It is now Tuesday and it's almost gone. So we're getting another load tomorrow. And then hopefully that'll last us a little bit longer this time, but I guess it is what it is. So today, what the video is I don't even know when we ordered these, at least over a year ago. I think it was closer to 2 years. They're winter equipment, the snow wear parts experts. So, there we go. But they're supposed to be super long-lasting cutting edges. We have here we go, right here. We have a set of the universal ones right here on this plow, and this plow is a 2019, and this cutting edge, the original cutting edge, didn't even last us half the first season. And we actually a couple things good on BOSS. So we're big fans of the BOSS plows. We have the EXT and 3 DXTs. And a couple things, sorry for talking so much, but this plow on its first season didn't even last half a season and the cutting edge wore out already right away. So we took it to the dealer and they took pictures, sent it to BOSS. BOSS gave us a free set of brand new edges because they agreed that was an abnormally fast wear. Because of that, we put these on and it's lasted us since. I'd say it probably still has half the cutting edge left. This plow, this is its second season. We got this last year, and there's you're supposed to wear it out to where this is flat with this, but because we already have these, and because this side, if you look, kind of wears more because this plow does pretty much all subdivisions, I thought it'd be smart just to put these on, because with the DXTs, this is the actual plow. Like the first cutting edge is the actual plow itself, because this folds under as a trip mechanism. So I'm gonna put those on, but if you're probably not, but in the last storm that we plowed, both these headlights on this plow snapped off. Yeah, he hit a bump, but that shouldn't happen. You shouldn't hit a bump and have your headlights just fall off. So we took it to the same dealer yesterday actually, and they took pictures while we were at the dealer. He said, hang on, just stay here because they respond really quick. Within 10 minutes, we were walking out the door with brand new headlights covered by BOSS. So can't really say enough good things about BOSS, and it makes you want to keep buying from them because they know things will fail. And apparently in 2018 and 19, they had a problem with the plastic on the headlights. So they warrantied them, no questions asked. And yeah, it just makes you feel a little bit better when you're spending, $10,000 on a new plow, that if something does go wrong, they back their product and they know that things happen. So anyways, hopefully we're all set with that, and their new headlights should be doing better. But anyways, long story short, I'm putting new cutting edges on today, and I figured I'd try and make a video out of it, and I don't know, we'll see how they work. So I'm gonna unbox them for the first time, and then we can kind of see what they look like together. So it appears this is the passenger side. Holy cow, they're heavy. So there's one side. I don't know how well you can see that. So basically, the whole blade has like carbide teeth in it, I think. And then it has the extra wearing on the end and in the middle. Okay. So here they are out of the box. So it has these extra wear areas, and then I'm not sure what the actual blade's made out of, but I'm 99% sure where these are, there's carbide in there, and it's really heavy. So it feels like super heavy duty, and with this plow doing all subdivisions, I'm interested to see how long these last. So I have to take off these 4 bolts, and then I have came in the box with so this is another cutting edge we have. Since at the time we had 2 of these plows, now we have 3. But so that'll be for the next plow that wears out, and then if we like it, we'll get another. If not, we will just get the factory one. To be honest, it really, I think, unless the performance is the same, which I'm curious to see if the scrape quality is the same, but to be honest, I think it'll mostly only make sense for the plows that are doing subdivisions. So for me, my route is basically all parking lots, and you're really not going to wear out a cutting edge that fast doing parking lots. But when you're doing all subdivisions and you're plowing miles and miles of subdivision, it's going to wear out a lot faster. So I'm going to stop talking and start getting to work, because I feel like I'm just procrastinating. Okay, so luckily that didn't take long because it is freezing out and my hands are cold. But anyways, yeah, that turned out pretty good. It was easy. You'll still use the factory curve wear bar, and then obviously this is built up thick anyways outside of this. And then the middle, just like factory. So the only difference is it doesn't wrap around the edge like the factory ones do, but I think it looks good. Interested to see how it wears. I'm gonna grease out the rest of this plow and then have a couple other things I need to do today.